बढ़िया कंटेंट आया है, बढ़िया कंटेंट नहीं आया। भाई तुम लोग मुझे माइक्रोफोन दे दो, एक कैमरामैन तो मार चोद दूंगा। करो और जुड़ेंगे हम साथ में, मसल बनाएंगे वीवा फिटनेस के साथ में, क्योंकि मेरा नाम है भाई मेरी बॉयज कभी हो गए। We got it. Abs. Oh my God, they're super fighting. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have reached IFF. Okay, IHFF. This is alcohol, a lot of alcohol. Food I have eaten is equal to 0. These are my car keys, which I'm just going to hand over to my cameraman while I down this bottle. And I am fucking scared, okay? You see a lot of these YouTubers, vloggers, whatever, like, मैं IHFF में जाके अपना एक vlog shoot करूँगा. That's cool. But me, मैं IHFF में जाके दारू पीऊँगा और फिर vlog shoot करूँगा. Smell this, Gulshan.
बहुत ज़्यादा मिला रखी है.
He said बहुत ज़्यादा मिला रखी है. And I agree. And I'm going to find out right now. Fuck yeah. Fuck. Oh my God. Dude, honestly, putting Nimbu in this, I'm already feeling it. Fuck it, we ball. Time to drive. Haha, just kidding. Not time to drive yet because Gulshan is going to keep my keys. Sab kuch taiyar? Let's go.
गोरी देख के गदार करेली प्यारे और कहस नींद न आवे मन भावे राजा जी तोहर भूलिया हो हम के लुभावे नींद न आवे अरे नींद न आवे सब नाता बाटे गोरी मोरे रंगादार से तुहरा से प्यार करी और करी कार से कबो नहीं पीछे हटी करे हम
Shit, you caught me. Ladies and gentlemen, do not drink and drive. Drink and race. Let's go. I'm fucking intoxicated. I'm hammered. Down that shit. This shit stuck in my hair also. So we're ready to shoot some content now. I love alcohol. Like, I don't drink alcohol at all, but I love it. So we're gonna have a lot of fun right now. IHFF. Speak to some cool people. And let's have some fucking fun, boy. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं आ गया हूँ IHFF. Alcohol is in my system. I am ready to have some fun. There's a guy over there. He's pretty jacked. I like him. Respect. He's pretty jacked. He's got a cameraman as well. So we're gonna bool out. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have a great time today. Yeah, dude, that dude's jacked, bro. I wanna go take a quick video with him also if I could. Maybe take my shirt off. Sirji, sorry to interrupt, sir. I am also a vlogger, make content, fitness content. You wanna take a quick video together? I can ask you a couple of questions.
यार, I'm very tired.
No worries. I got it.
Thank you so
Cool, good
much.
luck.
अभी आप गार्डन क्लब आए थे फिट क्लब.
कि no way, आपको कैसे पता?
मैं फिट क्लब की सोशल मीडिया टीम.
Oh, Fit Club. मैं भी Fit Club के content shoot किया. अब तो सर करना पड़ेगा. What's your name?
Myself Junaid Khan.
I am with Junaid Khan, and him and I both love Fit Club. Do you love Fit Club, sir?
Yeah, in some terms, yeah, I love it.
Sir, is this physique because of Fit Club? I think it is.
No.
Oh,
It's not about fit club. It's all about my hard work.
hard work.
Right?
Hard work.
There is no.
It's all hard work, genetics, and hard work. Respect.
Of course.
You're the man, sir. How did you compete right now?
Yeah.
How did it go?
It's fine.
What did you place?
My place is top 10.
Let's go. Top 10. That's what it's about. I love it, man. I love it. Thank you, sir. Appreciate your time. Have a good day. Yeah, hammered as fuck, and I'm talking to people like it doesn't even matter, boys. This is it. If you have like 90 ml of tequila with like some nimbu pani, you're fucking sorted, bro. You can go to any fitness expert and talk to any bodybuilder. And here's the thing, bro. These guys are bodybuilders. They're jacked, but they don't know how to fight. You know, I know how to fight. Pretty quick, pretty strong. Everyone's looking at me right now, but it's all good because everyone is supposed to look at me. You know why? Because I am the infamous Ladamel and I am the protagonist of professional wrestling. Watch this. Ladies and gentlemen, boys, let me do it again. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, once again, my name is the infamous Ladamel and I am the protagonist of professional wrestling and I am intoxicated as fuck. Today, I have met this random gentleman. Hello, I am at the Droom store. I like Droom. It's your perfect ride for every occasion. You want to meet women? They'll give you the perfect ride. You want to hit the gym? They'll give you the perfect ride. Lift weights? They'll give you the perfect ride. Droom. Respect. I'm the only guy wearing sunglasses indoors, yes. I hope that attracts people towards me and makes them want to make content with me. Because let's be honest, bro, no one here has any charisma. Only I do. And coupled with the amount of charisma, I decided to drink a lot of alcohol before this. I'm probably the only one who was like, let's drink a bunch of alcohol before we come to a fucking fitness expo. So fuck yeah. Let's get it on, boys. Let's get it on. Bunch of different supplement companies. Now, let's be honest.
You look like a Shivam.
I'm sorry?
You look like Shivam.
Bro, I am Sebum.
No, you are not.
What do you mean? Bro,
You look like him.
bro, I am Sebum.
Yeah.
Hi, Chris Bumstead. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Rohit Sarawat.
Rohit Sarawat. My name is Chris Bumstead. I'm sure you've seen me on the Olympia stage a bunch of times.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of you.
You're
can
big-
Can you show me your physique, bro?
Yeah, sure. Look at this. Abs.
Yeah, 1, 2. Bro has the best abs, bro.
Fuck yeah. I meet people that think I'm Australian. So I talk to them in an accent. What's up, Mai? How you doing? Yeah. My name's fucking Latimer. I'm from fucking Australia, here to make some fucking content in the fucking IHFF Fitness Expo.
I don't understand a single word.
Mate, it's a fucking bogan Australian accent, mate.
Okay.
You never been in Australia, mate. You get the Australian accent, mate. Fucking Ricky Ponting.
What is he saying?
Mate, I'm fucking saying I know Ricky Ponting.
Oh,
What, cricket? Yeah.
yeah.
I'm on a fast right now, and if I eat something, I'll get less drunk. So today I have with me once again.
Tanya. So I got invited from KFS to feature on the booth. So I came here as that.
And you, sir?
Same. I am the manager of our.
Respect.
So I am a body transformation coach, and previously I worked in media as a journalist. So I transformed my career from journalism to entrepreneur as in fitness. So yeah, that was my journey.
I don't trust journalists, but I trust fitness coaches. So you've done a very good job and a very good transformation. One last question before I let you guys go. Once again, thank you so much for just giving me your time. If you had one exercise that you would recommend to anyone, if they could only do one exercise for a long time, what would that exercise be?
I think pull-ups.
Why?
Because it just strengthens your whole body. Like if you become good at it, then I think push-ups and pull-ups would be the exercises one should do.
So last question for you. What do you guys plan on doing since you're in Delhi for one more day? What are your plans in Delhi?
Not much, but yeah, I have to network with few people, and yeah, it's all about networking when you're in the other city.
Oh my god, there's people fighting! No! Guys, it's popping off! Shit is going down right now, they're about to fight!
Brother, please.
What is happening?
Don't shoot.
Shit! Don't shoot! Okay, don't shoot! We've been told not to shoot! Keep shooting! Guys, they're about to throw down. Shit is about to go down. Thanks, guys. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna go closer into the action and ask them what the problem is. If you can get some far shots, that would be interesting. Let's see how it goes. और यहाँ पे लड़ाई शुरू हो गई है, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लड़ाई हो गई, उनको निकाल दिया वहाँ से. I got to see what's happening. They've told me to move out of here and they said I can't shoot that fighting content, but I'll tell you what, that is some very interesting fighting content. He's taking him out right now. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today I am with
My name is Irvin Khurana.
Mr. Khurana.
Yeah.
Mr. Khurana started a company called Alchemy Dose.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I'll tell you what, honestly, I think mushrooms are the way to go from a psychedelic perspective as well as a gym perspective. Actually, wait, mainly from a psychedelic perspective. Are
No,
these-
it's actually not for the psychedelic.
Oh, shit.
It's also good for your gut. It's also good for your brain.
So I was here to check out psychedelic mushrooms. I think I've got the wrong person. Number one question, sir. क्या इसको लेने से नशे होंगे?
इसको लेने से कोई नशा नहीं है. इसको लेने से अगर आपके ब्रेन सेल्स ग्रो हो सकते हैं, मेमोरी इंप्रूव हो सकती है, फोकस इंप्रूव हो सकता है, इम्यूनिटी.
So tell me a little bit about why it's so beneficial for people.
So lion's mane is where when somebody has any focus related issues, there are also very neurologists, doctors who prescribe lion's mane to people who have dementia, who have Alzheimer's. So these are really beneficial. India is waiting for such kind of mushrooms and wellness to come. There are a lot of people who have stress, depression, anxiety. He doesn't have it.
I lift weights, bro. I don't get any of that stuff.
We offer 5 different kinds of mushroom in Arabica coffee extract, and we also offer in matcha. Matcha is a growing trend. I think mushroom matcha is I think we are the only one in India providing mushroom matcha. Yeah.
Mushroom matcha.
Yeah.
You know, there are a lot of girls who like matcha.
Yeah.
They're like, yeah, I'm a matcha girly.
Yeah.
No, bitch, you're dumb. What would you recommend to me to get started off with?
So first of all, why don't you come over here? Over here. We have a call called Shroom Quiz.
Okay.
So why don't you play this
All right, let's play the shroom quiz.
and let's see what does it give you, what
Okay.
kind of mushroom you actually need
Okay.
for yourself.
Well, I
Yeah.
know what kind of mushroom I want, and it's called psilocybin.
Psilocybin, these are pretty illegal
You have
now.
psilocybin?
Yeah. I think we'll be the first one to introduce psilocybin once it get legal. Yeah.
So the first question is here, how are you feeling?
Yeah.
Restless?
I think you're
confused?
confused.
He might be right. I want to balance my physical, emotional, mental and energy state. No, I only want to focus on my physical state because I want to get jacked as shit. Isn't that the right move?
Yeah, it's the right one.
What's the state of your sleep? So I do have trouble falling asleep. It's true. What's the deal with that brain? I often feel fatigued. Nah. I struggle with focus and concentration. Yeah, I have ADHD, dog. Like, let's be real.
Oh yeah.
I mean, everyone has
I know
ADHD.
now what you need.
What do I need?
Yeah.
Let's see if it ends up. And I have difficulty managing my emotions. No. My mind is sharp and clear. Fuck yeah. Email has been put because now I will be joining the emailing list
Absolutely.
officially.
Absolutely.
I will never put any of them in spam. I promise you that. That is my promise to you. This will never go to my spam. Your email
Yeah.
deliverability rate will be very high. That is my guarantee.
That
I'll
is what
check.
we're focused
I will
on.
reply to each of these emails. Your phone number. Multiple texts, multiple cold calls are going to be coming my way, saying, "Sir ji, shrooms le lo." So it is cordyceps militaris.
Yeah.
So tell me about
Cordyceps.
cordyceps muscle. Cordyceps muscle. That's quadriceps muscle.
So these are the two types of cordyceps. This is caterpillar fungus, and this will cost you 20 lakhs for a kg.
Tough. 20 lakhs for kg.
20 lakhs for a kg.
You have 20. Do you have a kg with you right now?
No, but you don't need a kg.
Can I have a kg?
Yeah, you can have a
Is
kg.
it lying over here in this particular location?
I
could-
can't say that.
Shit. You have half a kg.
Yeah.
You have 200 grams. I could maybe just take a
I
look at
won't be
and
able
not
to
run
answer.
away with.
I won't be able to answer that. But this is cordyceps, which we call cordyceps sinensis.
Okay.
This is the non-vegetarian one.
Fuck the vegetarians.
Yeah.
But he just told me 1
Yeah.
kg costs 20 lakh. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
ma'am.
But we got an extract. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. She's there. Yeah, sure.
Go ahead. You can take a photo. I'll continue right after that. So they are taking a photo right now. We will be watching
Yeah,
them take
sure.
this photo.
Sure.
It's very important that we watch them take this photo. I think it's going to be an interesting photo shoot right now that
Yeah.
we'll be watching. As you can see, the photo is being taken right now. Two partners with the doctor talking about mushrooms. I do like mushrooms. Mushrooms are important. But which kind? That I can't reveal in this video
Yeah.
because I might get demonetized.
So you don't need to spend 20 lakhs for a kg or 1 or 2 lakhs for a kg. We have proper extract powders.
Okay.
So we have extracted them for the biocompounds we need.
I actually drank a lot of alcohol before coming here because the entire concept of this vlog is to get drunk before going for a
Yeah,
fitness
I think
fest.
then it would help him to detox.
But
Yeah.
I want to be more drunk. Do you have alcohol on you right now?
No, we don't.
Shit. These guys are awesome. I'm going to be trying out their products. There's a lot of mushrooms in the market right now.
Yes.
Unfortunately, none of them are psilocybin, which really hurts my feelings. I wish
Mine
they
too.
were psilocybin. I really wish they were psilocybin. Everyone at the count of 3, psilocybin. 1, 2, 3.
Cordyceps!
1, 2, 3.
Lion's mane!
1, 2, 3.
Jaga!
1, 2, psilocybin. I got it in first. These guys are now promoting psilocybin
Yeah.
with me. We are starting the new psilocybin line. Cheers. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are
Thank you so
awesome.
much, man. Thanks, man.
How do you like that content, boys? I'm hammered as shit. I'm not going to drink this because I want to stay hammered. Like, I'm sobering up right now. I wish I brought more alcohol with me. And it would have been way more fun if I brought more alcohol with me. But fuck it, we ball. We are at Viva Fitness. So, Viva Fitness is one of the most popular gym brands in India. And I think that's just because of, maybe it's because of market cap, maybe it's because of having a very good distribution system, or maybe it's just because it's cheap equipment. Today I am with,
हाय मैं हूँ आपका प्यार आपका यार आपका दोस्त राहुल दरार
okay, ये भी मेरी तरह intro करते हैं, मैं भी करता हूँ intro साथ में. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, my name is the infamous Ladimel and I am with,
वन एंड ओनली आपका प्यार आपका यार आपका दोस्त राहुल दरार
मुझे बताइए Viva Fitness के बारे में. पूरे इंडिया में Viva Fitness is one of the most popular brands.
yes
Right?
yes
Right? What do you think the reason is?
this is the most popular and genuine brand. We have own manufacturing industry in Gurgaon and Ambala and Chandigarh. Then after we have 50 years of legacy in this fitness industry where we manufacture by own. And then after we have 5 more series like California, Tunturi, then Viva Club, and we have completed around 5,000 plus gym activation in India, across India also 500 10,000 plus gyms across India. So we have a big company, big leg. साथ ही साथ मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि हमारे जो ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स है वो आज इंडिया के टॉप हम दोनों तो होने वाले हैं, बट जो टॉप बॉडी बिल्डर्स है लाइक भुवन चौहान, IFB Pro, दैट इंडियन रॉक, दीपक नंदा, देन रिकी जी जो लास्ट ईयर विनर है, और उसके साथ साथ काई ग्रीनी. बॉस आप जानते हो काई ग्रीनी, वन एंड ओनली काई ग्रीनी.
Kai Greeny.
Yes.
Oh my
Kai
God.
Greeny.
Wow, guys, this is fucked. Look at what just happened. A bird just shat on me. A bird just shat on me. What the? Shout out Viva Fitness.
So it's a good sign.
It's a good sign, I
he
guess.
said that he's also become a good brand ambassador for our Viva company. So maybe it's a good sign that next year he will be like more connected with us.
Yes, anabolics will help me get there. Am I correct?
No, I can assure you, I am a national power lifter. Since past I am completed my nationals. So when I was joined here, I feel like it's better than nothing because मुझे तो कभी.
I'm going to ask you one more question before I leave to wash my hands and then come back and check out your equipment. Sir, तुनतुरी जो है ये चावल के साथ बेटर जाती है या रोटी के साथ?
तुनतुरी जो है ना आपके मोटिवेशन और इंस्पिरेशन के साथ बेटर जाती है. जस्ट थिंक बियॉन्ड दैट यू कैन अचीव योर पर्सनालिटी बिकॉज 24 घंटे में से सिर्फ 1 घंटा अपने बॉडी को देना है और अपना 70 से 80 साल का जो ड्यूरेशन है उसको बढ़ा लेना है. तो मैं तो ये कहूँगा चावल और रोटी तो मत, बट तुनतुरी और वीवा के साथ जरूर जुड़ो. आप 70 नहीं 80 साल तक जियोगे, इसकी गारंटी मैं देता हूँ.
रिस्पेक्ट, गारंटी दे दी. अगर आप नहीं जिए
तो आ जाना मेरा
कैसे आप आओगे?
सो गाइस, मैं हूं आपका प्यार, आपका दोस्त, आपका यार राहुल दरार. मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि आपने अभी तक फॉलो नहीं किया इनके चैनल को तो जल्दी से जाइए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट ईयर अगर आपको एंट्री करनी है तो एंट्री करने के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब करना होगा. बाकी अगर जिसने कमेंट किया है तो उनको स्पेशली एंट्री हमारे वीवा के द्वारा आपको मिलेगी. और साथ ही साथ आपने अभी तक फॉलो नहीं किया, लाइक नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से कर दीजिए, क्योंकि भाई बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं और आपके लिए कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आप घर से उठ के यहाँ तक पहुँचे.
और संडे को, इट्स अ संडे टुडे.
और इट्स अ संडे.
मैं संडे को बैठ के बस नशे कर सकता हूँ, बट नो, आई चूज टू बी हियर टुडे.
यस
मैंने आपके लिए अभी ऑन द स्पॉट एक रैप लिखा है, क्या आप सुना चाहोगे?
जरूर जरूर सुना.
ऑलराइट. मेरा नाम है राहुल दरार, मैं करता हूँ सबसे प्यार, मेरा बड़ा है व्यवहार बिकॉज आई एम अ कूल यार. बंद करूँगा मैं दोस्ती, करूँगा मस्ती, क्योंकि मैं वीवा फिटनेस से करता हूँ मैं दोस्ती. राहुल दरार मेरा नाम है यार, करूँ तुम सबसे मैं बहुत सारा प्यार. राहुल दरार है मेरा नाम, करूँ मैं तुम लोग से बहुत सारा प्यार. अच्छा व्यवहार हर दिन करूँ मैं सबसे अच्छा व्यवहार. करो और जुड़ेंगे हम साथ में, मसल बनाएंगे वीवा फिटनेस के साथ में, क्योंकि मेरा नाम है
वेल आपका प्यार राहुल दरार. थैंक यू सो मच आप सभी का कि आपने देखा, समझा और जाना. भाई को प्यार करिए, भाई को फॉलो करिए और भाई को लाइक करिए. ये बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं.
थैंक यू ब्रदर, थैंक यू. आई विल बी बैक हियर इन अ फ्यू मिनट्स. थैंक यू, मच अप्रिशिएटेड ब्रो, ऑल गुड. मैं आपको नंबर ले लूँ आपका? Ladies and gentlemen, I am back after cleaning my hands. It is clean as you can see. I just met with Rahul Tharar, है मेरा यार, बढ़िया उनका व्यवहार, मैं करता हूँ उनसे प्यार, वो करते सबसे प्यार. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि देखो मेरा व्यवहार और चेकआउट करो मेरा जिम इक्विपमेंट मेरे यार. सो मैं आ गया वीवा फिटनेस उनका जिम इक्विपमेंट चेकआउट करने. यस, आपको ब्लॉग में आना है? यस ब्रो, हेलो, ओके. A random gentleman just walked past me who does not know Rahul Tharar. Sir, आप राहुल थरार को जानते हो? Shit. तो सर आपने अभी पूछा कि आप मेरे व्लॉग में होना चाहते हो, तो प्लीज बताइए क्या करना चाहते हो मेरे व्लॉग में. आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम साइम है, मैं भी व्लॉगर.
अरे क्या बात कर रहे हो, आपके कैमरा ऑन करो. गाइस, फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर व्लॉगसेप्शन, मैं इनके व्लॉग में, ये मेरे व्लॉग में एट द सेम टाइम. तो एक बात बताइए, आपका जो ये व्लॉग है उस किसके बारे में है?
मेरा ज़्यादातर फूड ब्लॉग्स के बारे में है.
क्या खाना पसंद करते हो आप?
मैं बर्गर, पिज्ज़ा वगैरह जो भी कुछ.
क्या आपने तहलका ऑमलेट ट्राई किया है?
यस.
क्या होता है तहलका ऑमलेट में?
तेल का ऑमलेट में वो ऑमलेट चटनी
ये
मंगाई, यही होता है सेम.
तो बताइए क्या होता है तहलका ऑमलेट में?
ये
तो आप वीवा फिटनेस में क्या करना चाहते हो?
भाई मैं तो ऐसे ही आई है, बस
मस्ती
आवारागर्दी.
रिस्पेक्ट. वीवा फिटनेस के अगर आप फैन हैं तो बोलिए रिस्पेक्ट.
Ladies
and gentlemen, boys and girls, today I am with Anirudh Sharma. Anirudh Sharma is Anirudh Sharma is an OG in the fitness influencer game, and he has got all the style, all the girls, all the moves, and he is in fact
girls.
पता नहीं जब लोग बोलते थे यार तू बॉडी बना ले लड़कियां पसंद करेगी क्या ये सच बात है?
गाइस मैं इतना कहना चाहूँगा जब ज़्यादा मसल होती है तो लड़की शायद नहीं पसंद करें, बट यू नीड अ डिसेंटली एवरेज बिल्ड. एक हेनरी कैविल जैसी बिल्ड जरूरी है टू गेट गर्ल्स. सो डिसेंटली एवरेज बिल्ड आई वुड से इज क्वाइट नेसेसरी.
तो क्या आपको लगता है हेनरी कैविल की जो बिल्ड है इज ही नेचुरल?
Yeah, I do believe he's natural. He has amazing genetics. Even his face, his body, his height, everything. So I do believe he's kind of natural, yeah.
So when you started your journey, right, let's be honest, you are one of the oldest in this game. I've been seeing your content for about 3-4 years at this point.
True.
And you're a Gurgaon boy, Delhi boy itself, same as a Gurgaon boy myself. I want to understand what got you into this line and what was that one day where you're like, fuck it bhai, मैं आज content बनाऊंगा और कुछ भी हो जाए मेरी life change होने वाली है.
Okay, I have a crazy story behind this. You guys might know the brand Gymshark.
Yes.
And every year they host this one challenge, Gymshark 66. For the first 66 days of the year, you have to follow just one of your passion, one of your dreams, and just show them proof कि तुम अपने dream की तरफ काम कर रहे हो. And one of my own goals that I gave to myself was to build a fitness community. And मैंने बस एक note पे को challenge दिया, and I started posting content for 66 days. Within those 66 days, I think I grew a following of 4,500 followers, I think. And since then, I've never stopped. I've been making content since then.
So what's your advice to anyone who's trying to make content right now?
My advice would be to not copy anyone. Do your own thing. Be your own self. 8 billion लोगों में तुम अकेले अपने जैसे हो. Use that to your advantage and be the best version of yourself. Work hard. Be very consistent and make yourself proud.
अगर आपको fitness content आज बनाना है, is steroids important?
No, not necessarily.
Just say yes, bro. Come on, just please say, sir, आपको ट्रेंड आनावार सब कुछ एक टाइम पे चलाना होगा वरना आपकी बॉडी नहीं बनेगी. और लोगों को सच बताओ यार.
बॉडी हो या ना हो, कंटेंट क्रिएशन में आप ग्रो कर सकते हो विदाउट इवन हैविंग अ बॉडी. You might be into content which is funny or relatable or anything else. You don't have to have the best physique for growing following.
What are your thoughts on the hip thrust? Can men be doing a hip thrust in public? Imagine you're in
Of
like
course.
imagine
It
Cyber
depends.
Up.
It depends on what you're imagining
Okay.
in front of you. So you can hip thrust. You can hip thrust Lizzo if you wanted to.
Yeah. How much does Lizzo weigh?
Around 250 kgs, I believe.
That's fucking insane, bro. She should be dead at 250 kgs, bro.
But you can also hip thrust. Who's that? Gorlock the Destroyer, maybe.
Yeah, Gorlock the Destroyer. See, this guy knows his content, bro.
Of course,
Shout out
of course.
Gorlock the Destroyer.
Of course.
Last question to you before I let you go. If you were in Cyber Hub right now and I were to say, hey, Anirudh, start hip thrusting a random person who said, yo, bro, can you hip thrust me? What would you say to them?
I would say, come on, let's do it.
Fuck! Shit! He touched me inappropriately, but I'm okay with it because he is Jack.
He looks kind of happy though.
I look kind of
Happy.
happy.
That I touched you.
He got me all shy and shit, guys. I just want to tell you guys something, and I'm going to get emotional because let's be honest, bro. The entire concept of my vlog today is to get hammered as fuck and come to Fitness Expo.
Okay.
Right? So I'm hammered as fuck right now, and I'm here to Fitness Expo.
That's crazy, bro.
That's cool, right?
Yeah.
So this gentleman over here is proof that you can do whatever you want. Why? If you just put your time in, right?
Exactly.
Post content every day if you want to do it. Don't say, मैं alternate day पे post करूँगा.
And don't even think about what the people think. Just start posting. लोग तो वैसे भी तुम्हें गाली देने ही वाले हैं. चाहे अच्छी वे में दे, बुरे वे में दे, कुछ ना कुछ तुम्हें बोलने ही वाले हैं.
I don't care about you booing me because I see who you're cheering for.
Exactly.
Because I'm sure people shit on you on the internet, right? Of course they do. But fuck them, bro. They ain't making money, bro. They ain't out here to Fitness Expo getting hammered or not getting hammered and getting interviewed by a hammered guy. Right? I am being followed by a legitimate fitness influencer right now. I will see. If I'm unfollowed in the next 48 hours, I will be posting a different post about this.
Love this personality.
Thank you so much, bro. It's also the alcohol.